What up, guys? So I am currently headed to the post office. Well, I am at the post office. I just want to do like a quick unboxing because I never got to it, and I sold the shoes before I planned to make the video. So essentially, I picked up some shoes, a pair of Yeezys and the Nike React shoes that were released. I ended up getting a pair of the Yeezy 500s that released, I think, like a week or 2 weeks ago. So I ended up getting that pair, which was the Adidas Yeezy 500 Black Friends and Family, which means that it's not even black. It's honestly like a brown suede colorway. And on top of that, they did release plenty more. They released like a good amount of shoes, which a lot of people were saying that we're sitting at malls and stuff like that. Not true, because I needed an 8.5 because I ordered an 8. Thinking it would be like bigger shoe, and since I never had a pair of Yeezys, I thought they would not be like 2 size, but turns out they are 2 size. So yeah, sadly, whoever said they were at the mall sitting down, they were not there. They did sell out as well. I was able to cop them because I was working, and for some reason I saw the link, I clicked it, but I never thought there was actually any shoes available. I saw an 8, I still didn't believe it. I clicked on it, I'm like, it's about to cancel my order. I go ahead and paid it. I'm like, I'm about to get an email saying it got canceled. I legit look like a tomato. It's so hot in this car, but I turned on the AC so it wouldn't come out in the video. But yeah, I was just thinking it's gonna get canceled, it's gonna get canceled. And until I got to my house and I believed it, I was even excited because it's like, you know, it's probably gonna get canceled halfway here. What's the point of getting excited? And lo and behold, I got a size 8. I did sell it for $300 processing and fees. It did eat up my profit, but then again, they found me the seller who basically, I believe, paid the most. And I'm just doing like a quick take a look at the shoe basically because I do have to ship it and I have school like in 30 minutes. So if I'm talking fast, I'm sorry, but it is true to size. It does have like hints of like that brown suede, and if you touch it, it reminds me of like those couches where they change colors every time you touch it. You guys can look at the detail more closely, the sole. I did try them on, but they were tight, but they did feel so comfortable. And I recall showing it to my mom, and mom was like, I was like, Mom, look at my new shoe, and she was all like, how much was it? I was like, 200. She was all like, ow. She threw it and was like, wow, my fingers are about to crumble. But yeah, they're actually very comfortable. I was not able to find a half, which is disappointing, but if they are starting to make more, hopefully I can get like an 8.5 in this colorway because it's really cool. It's like a chunky sneaker, like the whole trend, the Balenciaga, the Thunder Pumas and stuff like that, which is super dope. But it's honestly just a brown sneaker with different hints of browns and different materials and textures. So yeah, and the inside says Yeezy, Ortholite, and then Adidas, so 3 different companies, bam, bam, bam. And then on the side, it has an Adidas right there. And it also has Adidas preen there, like neoprene kind of. And the sole, so I'm just doing like a quick colorway because I do have somewhere to be in a bit. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, just leave it down below. And I'm gonna ship these puppies out because I need to get my monies. Gotta get ready for the next drops. So thank you guys for watching, and there will be more videos coming soon. I'm so sorry this is in a hurry, just like my other video, and the lighting probably sucks. But if you guys have any questions, just feel free to leave them down below.